say, let your breath flow be there with you. Open an orange and eat it all.
Open an orange and eat it all.
Now say it higher. Open an orange.
Open an orange. Oh.
Open an orange.
Open an orange and eat it all.
Open an orange and eat it all. Okay, man. Open an orange.
Open an orange and eat it all.
Sige, relax mo to. Masyadong...
Open an orange and eat it all.
Okay, now say it.
Open an orange and eat it all.
Pati fry ka.
Ay,
Narinig mo yun? Okay. Naprito ang orange. Okay, again.
Open an orange and eat it all.
Again, you have a high voice like Iñaki. Speak a little higher.
Open an orange and eat it all.
Yun. So, hindi ka nagpa-fry. The moment you speak more near your
Open an
middle
orange
of your
and
range,
eat it all.
then you don't fry. Sige.
Caramba! Open an orange and eat it all.
Say it.
Open an orange and eat it all.
Pero ang ganda ng kinanta mo. Pero pag sinabi, which means, pag nagsasakal, biglang naninigas sa mga bagay-bagay. Sing it again. Sige.
Open an orange and eat it all.
Oh, relax din sa kanta. Okay, now, relax din pag salita.
Open an orange and eat it all.
There! Nice! Okay. Open an orange and eat it all. Sige.
Open an orange and eat it all.
Now say it.
Open an orange and eat it all.
Yeah, but careful. Open.
Open an orange and eat it all.
Yeah. Always ride what you're going to say on the
orange and eat it
method.
all.
Okay, now I think we're ready. Okay, good. Natuwid naman natin yung mga kailangan i-correct.
Open my orange and eat it all.
It's playback time! Sana tuwing day lalagay tayo sa pang-exercise.
Open an orange.
Okay, playback na kami.
Pwede na? If lahat, nagsusulat pa ako
What
na...
are you doing now, Sina Miguel?
Ano?
We're copying you. When you're teaching us about you go, you have to support the breath flow so that you keep the note. You support it and then you will hit the note. Now we talk again. Miguel, how are you feeling?
Actually, it's good exercise. Napanood nga kitang ginagawa niya yan. Pero tama. Kaya natuwa ko. Kasi, as it gets ingrained, hindi niya nga masasaktan ng folds niya at walang masasabing doktor, their folds are swollen. Okay? That's one way. One way talaga is talaga to get it sing-songy. It really has to be. So you don't stress. Kasi magsasalita and then you're always putting that glota, that fry, or let, yari. Okay yan, hindi mabubugbog. Ay, hindi pa ready.
Playback na kami.
Playback na. Ako hindi, magsusulat pa ako.
Tubirin.
Sabihin mo lang pala.
Anytime kami ha. Anytime kami playback. Anytime kami na playback.
I'm just killing time.
Killing.
Thank you. Again, ito na yung Natasha case mo. Natasha,
Diba? Okay. Okay. Yung mga may PH problems sa inyo, sino pa TH. Yes? The hard TH. Okay. So there with us, there with us, there. Can you try it? Okay. There with us, there.
They're with us there.
Yeah, always there. Okay. Sige. Ready na.
Ang ganda ng background. Maganda ng background.
Because mine's so bright.